Hey guys, Barbara here. There are a few more things I need you to know about. Let's have a look. If you have watched all the videos in this series, you are on your way to being a form ninja. There are a few extra bits and pieces that I want to share with you that are really important to know about. Let's get straight into it. From your Google Forms screen, head to your settings gear in the top right-hand corner. When you click on it, your settings will open. Here you have 3 tabs. Let's start on the General tab. The first option on this tab over here is to collect email addresses. If you select this option, a short answer question will automatically be added to the form where email addresses will become a required question. This little checkbox directly underneath this is the ability to create a response receipt. Here you can choose if the person filling the form in can choose to get a copy of their answers or if they will always get a copy of their answers. The next section here is only available when you are working with a Google account that belongs within an organization's domain. If this box here is ticked, where you restrict users within certain domains from answering, anyone who does not have the same domain address as you will be unable to answer the form. This is useful if you want to ensure that that form is kept within your organization. If you would like to open it up further and make it available to anyone to answer, then make sure that this box isn't ticked. The next box down you can only use if you are sending to other people with Google accounts. If they have Google accounts, you will be able to limit them to 1 response only. If they try to sign in again with the same account to answer the question, they will be unable to do so. The next 2 options over here are what people can do once they have submitted. If you would like them to have the ability to edit what they have chosen, tick this little box. If you choose this box here, see Summary Charts and Text Responses, they will be able to see what you see from the Summary tab in the responses. Watch our video to learn more about what that looks like. The next section to the settings is the presentation. When you select a presentation, you will be able to show the progress bar if you would like to. This is only useful if you have a number of sections to your form and you want to let people know that they are busy filling out section 2 of 3. If you would like to shuffle the question order, select this box. However, bear in mind that if you have inserted an image and a question below it, both may be shifted, so use this option carefully. If you want them to be able to submit another response, you can choose to have a link to do that at the very end of the form appear by selecting this little box here. They will then be given the option to fill out the form again once they have submitted their responses. I think that every form deserves a confirmation message. This can be useful in many ways. Either type in a thank you message saying thank you for their time and for their responses, or alternatively, use the space to give them a link to more information on something else. We cover quizzes in our video, Turning Your Form into a Quiz, so check that out to learn about these options over here. When you are done, select Save. The next thing I want to talk to you about is these 3 dots over here and the options that you have available. Here, you are able to make a copy of this form, to move it to the bin. You can print the form if you need a hard copy, and next, to add in a collaborator. You can collaborate on form creations, which makes it a much faster process. Simply add in the person's email address that you would like to collaborate with. They will receive an email and can open the form. While collaborating, you will be able to see where the other person is in the form to ensure that you are both not editing the same question at the same time. How cool is that?